Hi, this is Heather from the Freeport Community Library, and today we're going to show you how to make your very own paper honeycomb craft. The first thing you're going to do is set out all your supplies, your paper bags, your string, your paper clip, your glue stick, and your scissors. The next thing you're going to want to do is split your bags into 2 stacks of 5. Once you've done that, take one bag, flip it over, and make sure you can see the words on it. You want the side that can open near you. You're going to glue in the shape of a T, first across what would be the bottom of the bag and then down the middle. Next, line up your next bag, words on top, open side near you. Press those together and then continue steps 5 and 6 until you have the first 5 bags glued together. Once you have your first 5 bags glued together with the glue stick, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to cut out your design. You can copy what we're doing in the video or come up with your own design. In the video, we're going to cut 2 corners off the top of the bags, and then we're going to go into each side and we're going to cut a small triangle out of both sides. Then we're going to cut out a little kind of a half circle next to the triangle that we cut out. If you're having a hard time with the scissors cutting through the paper, it's a little tough, feel free to ask for an adult to help you out. Next, what you're going to do once you've cut out your design is you're going to continue to glue the rest of the bags by making your T with the glue stick. Once you stack one bag on top of the other, make sure you're really pressing down and pushing to make sure that those bags stick together really well. Once you have the rest of the bags glued together, you're going to grab your scissors and you're going to follow your previous cut design to make the whole stack match. When you are cutting out your design, just a couple little tips. Don't cut too deep, and do not cut what would be the bottom of the bag. Once you've put your glue on the last bag, gently open the bags and line them up. Match up one side with the other. Again, you want to be gentle because the glue is still drying. Kind of stretch it out a little bit, give a little bit of a shake. Then you're going to want to grab your glue stick and make another T. Then you're going to open up your snowflake again and match those sides up so they can glue together. Use your fingers and your hands to kind of press the sides firmly against each other, and you can use a paper clip to hold it together while it dries. And the last thing we're going to do is add your string. You can use the paper clip to punch a small hole, and you're going to thread your string through and tie it in a small knot. And then you're ready to hang it up. You've made your paper honeycomb.